Who doesn't love having a cute little deer accompany them everywhere they go? Therefore, today we're going to show you one of our DIY sewing keychains, deer. Let's get the sewing started. Woohoo! This sewing DIY keychain kit is international and very child-friendly, so children aged 5 or above can make them easily. We have invited some children in Hong Kong to join our sewing party. Let's take a look what we've got in the sewing kits. First, we've got the safety needle. It is a plastic needle so that children won't get pricked. They can start their own sewing project safely. Cotton is also included in this toolkit so that children can stuff them in while they are sewing the keychain. We've also got pre-cut fabric with holes on it so that children can make their keychain easily without having the need to cut the fabric or having a hard time to pierce through it. After laying out all the materials, you can follow the simple step-by-step instructions included with clear illustrations to start making the deer. This all-in-one sewing kit is good for kids to develop fine motor skills, learn basic sewing skills, which is a practical life skill, and train eye-hand coordination. Let your children create their own keychains in a safe and fun way while learning a wonderful and practical life skill.